In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project in Adobe Express. Whether you're working on a team project or collaborating with a friend, sharing your work seamlessly is essential. So, grab your device, log into Adobe Express, and let's dive into the process. First, navigate over to the Adobe Express website and sign in, if you haven't already. Look for the section titled Your Stuff on the main dashboard. From there, you'll want to click on Projects, where you should find a list of all the projects you've been working on. Now, take a moment to locate the particular project you want to share and click on it to open. Once you've got the project open that you're ready to share, you should spot a share icon or button somewhere on your screen. It's typically a universal symbol, like an arrow pointing upward out of a box, signifying sharing options. Give that button a click, and a Share Project dialog box will appear. Now comes the sharing part. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the email address or the Adobe account name of the person or people you want to invite to your project. To make things easier, double-check that you've entered their information correctly. It's important because any typos might lead to someone entirely different receiving access, or worse, your collaborators not getting the access they need at all. The next step is to establish the kind of permissions you wish to grant. Adobe Express conveniently provides you with a couple of different options: Can Edit and Can Comment. If your collaborator needs to make changes directly to the project, select Can Edit. Alternatively, if you want feedback but not direct edits, go with Can Comment. It's a useful way to manage the workflow and ensure everyone involved has just the right level of access for their role. After you've set up all the details, you're ready for the final action. Look for an Invite to Project button or something similar. That's the one to click to send out the invitations. This will trigger an email or notification to your collaborators, inviting them to join and contribute to your project with the permissions you've specified. And that's it. With this straightforward method, sharing projects on Adobe Express is a breeze, allowing you to keep creativity flowing with ease and collaboration. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your collaborative efforts smoother and more efficient. Whether you're often working closely with teammates or just need periodic input, remember this process and you'll be set for success in all your Adobe Express projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.